What do you know about crypto, blockchain, Bitcoin? Maybe you invested some in 2017, maybe you lost it all and you don't want to look at it anymore. Think, oh, that's just another game for the elite, you know, to make money really fast. Well, it is. On the other side, underneath is a technology that is quite revolutionary. It's the blockchain. And we're in a movement of decentralization worldwide, where the blockchain will slowly take out the middleman. If you imagine that the worldwide commission on money transactions by MasterCard, Visa, you know, is 3% of the world economy. That's an amazing amount of money. And the revolution of money, I mean, the blockchain cutting out of middlemen can save that, and so it can become a hugely efficient new system that will be much more peer-to-peer. It actually will be also borderless, it will be censorship-less, it will be neutral. So there is no system of control to see, you know, to actually validate transactions like banks and even governments or federal reserves that print money out of nothing. It's all going to be for the past. And I'm super enthusiastic about this movement of decentralization. I just see that a lot of my friends and people around me just have no idea what it is because it's kind of difficult. So I decided to write a blockchain and Bitcoin and crypto for dummies blog to make it a little bit more understandable. So please feel welcome to have a look. It's on my Medium account and you will see more of me in my special YouTube channel. Because this is all just the beginning and I'm super excited to bring you more. Thank you.